Plant FAQs. Moonlit lace viburnum. The first time I encountered the moonlit lace viburnum, I was captivated. Its name itself evoked a sense of ethereal beauty, and the reality lived up to the hype. Lush, evergreen foliage with a hint of burgundy on the new growth contrasted perfectly with the delicate white flower clusters that emerged in spring. It was a dazzling display, especially under the soft glow of the moonlight. Since then, this captivating shrub has become a cherished resident of my garden. As I've delved deeper into its care, I've discovered a surprising amount of resilience and adaptability beneath its delicate facade. In this article, I'll share my experiences with the moonlit lace viburnum, from planting and care to design ideas and potential companions. How to plant and care for moonlit lace viburnum. Planting your moonlit lace viburnum is a straightforward process. Choose a location that receives full sun to part shade. While it tolerates a range of soil conditions, well-drained soil is key. Dig a hole twice the width of the root ball and slightly deeper. Gently loosen the roots of your viburnum before placing it in the hole. Fill the hole with a mixture of amended soil and compost, ensuring the root ball sits level with the surrounding soil. Water thoroughly and deeply after planting. Here are some key aspects of caring for your moonlit lace viburnum. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first year after planting and during extended dry periods. Aim for weekly watering, adjusting based on the climate and rainfall. Fertilizing. A light feeding of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can encourage healthy growth and flowering. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Can you trim moonlit lace viburnum? Absolutely. The moonlit lace viburnum responds well to pruning, allowing you to maintain its desired shape and size. The ideal pruning window is after flowering has finished in late spring or early summer. Use sharp pruning shears to remove dead, diseased, or damaged branches. You can also trim for shape, encouraging bushier growth by cutting back leggy branches. Remember, when pruning, it's best to follow the less is more approach. Aim for light trims to maintain a natural, graceful form. How to propagate moonlit lace viburnum. Propagating your moonlit lace viburnum is a rewarding way to expand your garden's beauty. The most effective method is through softwood cuttings taken in late spring or early summer. Here's a quick guide. Choose a healthy, non-flowering stem with several nodes. Cut a 4 to 6 inch section just below a node. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few nodes exposed. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Optional, but recommended. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water thoroughly and keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Place the pot in a location with bright, indirect light. Be patient. It can take several weeks for roots to develop. What to plant with moonlit lace viburnum. The moonlit lace viburnum's versatility allows it to shine in various garden settings. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Spring bulbs, daffodils, tulips, and hyacinths add a delightful burst of color in early spring before the viburnum blooms. Summer perennials, salvias with their vibrant blooms provide a stunning contrast to the viburnum's white flowers. Grasses, ornamental grasses like maiden grass or fountain grass add a touch of movement and texture. Evergreen shrubs, combine the moonlit lace viburnum with other evergreen shrubs like boxwood for a year-round display of greenery. Ultimately, the best companion plants depend on your desired aesthetic and the overall garden design. A final note, a fragrant oasis. The moonlit lace viburnum offers more than just visual delight. Its delicate white flowers emit a subtle, yet intoxicating fragrance, adding another layer of sensory enjoyment to your garden. Whether planted as a foundation shrub, a border accent, or part of a mixed container, the moonlit lace viburnum is sure to become a treasured addition to your outdoor haven.